Snapchat conversations take up space and slow the app. You can manage Snapchat interactions and delete unnecessary conversations. Snapchat clears conversations without deleting data, and we can bring it back anytime we want. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to clear conversations on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat in your device. Click on the profile icon at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings icon at the top right of your screen. On the Settings page, scroll downwards. Under Account Actions, tap on Clear Conversation. Tap on the cross icon on people you want to clear conversation of. Tap on Clear to confirm it. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to clear conversations on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.